Before we get going, let's cue the timer. All right, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shikakai herbal hair mask. I use this mask to replace shampooing. Really quick curl note. The Shikakai mask is known to give you stronger, thicker hair, and it prevents dry scalp, something that I suffer from a lot. Okay, here are a few things that you'll need. Organic Shikakai powder, I got mine from Amazon, and water. That's it. This is the easiest concoction in the world. So you want to pour 1 cup of the Shikakai powder and about 1.5 cups of water. Then mix it well to create a thick paste. Fair warning, the powder is extremely strong, so be careful not to inhale deeply next to it. That's it. We still have time, so I'll show you how to apply it. I'm applying this to my dry hair and it's wash day, so it's perfect. You'll want to gently massage the paste into the hair and scalp, rotating it with your fingertips. After you're done and you've got it all the way through your scalp and your hair, you want to wait for about 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with water. Make sure you get all of it out. This made my hair super soft and it gave it a really nice shine. After I rinsed, I went straight into applying my DIY deep conditioning. My hair feels amazing. Check out my previous video for the how-to on the deep conditioner. And for now, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at NaturalMamaJax.